Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through how to mute a server on the Discord app for PC with the latest update. If you're part of multiple servers, you probably know how overwhelming constant notifications can be. Muting a server is a quick fix that helps you stay focused without leaving the server altogether. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can see all of your servers listed on the left-hand side of the screen. Each server is represented by a small icon, usually with the logo or picture the server owner has set. Next, scroll through your server list and find the server that you'd like to mute. This is helpful for any community you want to stay part of but don't need to be pinged by constantly. Take your time to make sure you select the right one. Once you've located the server, move your mouse over the server icon and right-click. This will bring up a menu with several options that let you manage your connection and notifications for that server. From that menu, look for the option that says Mute Server. When you hover over it, you'll notice you have different time frame choices, like muting for a set number of hours, a day, or indefinitely. If you don't want to hear from that server at all, you can mute it until you turn the setting off yourself. Click the option that best suits your needs, and that's it. The server is now muted. Notifications from that server won't pop up and distract you, but you can still open the server anytime you want to catch up on conversations. Muting servers on Discord is a simple way to customize your experience and keep your notifications under control. Whether you're managing work, school, gaming, or hobby servers, having control over alerts makes your Discord use much smoother and stress-free. Now that you know how to mute a server, you can stay connected to all your favorite communities without the distractions.